Trading is risky and results are not guaranteed.
Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert4x, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how the Link-to-Success service works and how you can participate in this service. So on your screen you can see the website, the Link-to-Success service. That's basically about linking your trading account to successful proven robot strategies. You can use your own personal account. You're not forced to use a particular broker in this particular service. Here's where AI was pretty handy. I described the service to AI and it produced this image, which is a nice image to explain what goes on. So what we have is we have a group of experienced, competent traders who trade robots and manual systems. There are traders that trade manually very successfully on their own trading accounts. And this is here's the group, successful traders. Here they are, all trading on their own accounts, and they're individuals. They don't all trade in one room, they trade individually. So what the club now provides you is with the opportunity to link your personal account to those traders trading there and actually copy each trade that they make into your own personal account. So that's what the linking service is all about. So you've got copy traders that copy the successful traders, and how they do that is the successful traders use a sender robot. So they send the signals to the copy traders, and the copy traders use a receiver robot, there it is, to receive the trades. Now so that happens almost instantaneously. So as the trade gets entered there, the trade gets entered on the copy traders side. And that's how simple it is. So the true skill lies in selecting the right accounts to copy into your account. I'll show you a little bit more about that in future videos, but that's where the skill is. But the service itself is a very simple one. And the Link-to-Success service is a free service if you are a member of our Expert4x Premium Forum. Now, as a paid member, what it allows you to do is copy 3 of those accounts into your account. If you want to copy more, and there are traders that have unlimited allowance, in other words they have a license where there's no limit, they can copy as many of those accounts into their accounts. So there are options. The standard is 3, but you can pay for more options. So to join the service is easy. You join the forum, and then once you're a member of the forum, the receiver robot can be downloaded from the forum. There's a specific link, and there's a link on this particular page that will take you to that area where you can download the receiver EA. And so it's pretty simple. What you then do is you go through this list and you select accounts that you want to link to. And the accounts are pretty good. There's some high monthly return accounts, but remember, high returns, high risk. And we also state the amount of the account that you need to link your account to, link to these particular accounts. Now you will see some $10,000 ones, but remember you can also use cent accounts to link to these accounts. There's some information on the website about cent accounts. And here's another view of the same accounts. It's a risk analysis view of exactly the same accounts seen from a different perspective. This particular view is an 8-week perspective. So the top one was a view for the whole lifetime of the account. Here we look at the last 8 weeks, because those are the important weeks, because that shows the current profitability of a particular account. Okay, so the next step, and yes, if you want more information about all of this, there's information about the licenses, cent accounts, explains what suspended accounts are, which robots are being traded, selecting the best accounts. There's some ideas on how to select the best accounts, VPS service, because you have to be linked to the internet all the time to enjoy the service, some ideas on risk management, how to check your results, comparing your results to the sender's results and making sure that they're not too far out of line, broker issues, and then an analysis of the top accounts. So there's quite a bit more information there. And the next important one is the disclaimer. I'm going to read it, and although this is a great alternative way to make money in the Forex market, please remember that trading is risky. There are no guarantees of success. Market conditions can change at any time, and you should only use money that you can afford to lose. This opportunity requires you to have the skill of selecting the accounts with the best possibility of succeeding in the future. And also, at the same time, remember, past success is not a guarantee of future success. That is why you have to spend some time selecting really good accounts. And then to get started, again with the help of AI, they've said, firstly, you join the Expert4x forum. There you are, and there the link. There's lots of links on this page to join the forum. You download the receiver, and there's a link to download the receiver. But you can also the link is actually in the forum, and then all you do once you've got the receiver loaded, all you do is you say, I want to link to, in this example, link 230CA is shown, and then you want to link on a factor of, let's say, 1. So in other words, the sender's trading one lot, you will trade one lot on the recommended account size. So that's how simple it is, very quick and easy to do, and all you need to do is join the premium forum. Currently a special rate of $59 a month to join, and you can use PayPal for that. If you want to use crypto, we have annual plans specifically for crypto. So I hope you've now got a better understanding of how the link service works, how easy it is to join, and as I say, the skill is to analyze the accounts and link to accounts that have the best possibility of success in the future. If you have any questions, please use the comments facility of this video to ask any questions, and links to any web pages mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Eploy, cheerio.
Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.